Hey, it's Mr. Pettijohn back with another Scratch tutorial. So we've created our sprites in Piskel, we've imported them into Scratch and resized them if we needed, and now I'm going to teach you how to move your sprite around and animate it like it's supposed to be walking. So what we're going to do is we already have our script here about resizing. We're just going to do another flag. Then we're going to do forever. This is the best way I've found out how to make it walk and make it look the smoothest. Flag, I always say flag forever if. Flag forever if. If you can memorize that, you're good. Flag forever if. So what this is saying is when I click the flag to start the game, forever the game is going to be looking for me to do something or for something to happen. So flag forever if it senses that a key is pressed, and I'm going to do the right arrow key because I want him to walk to the right. So when I press the flag forever, it's looking for me to press that right arrow key. If I press that right arrow key, then what it's going to do is we're going to go over to motion, and we are going to, first thing we need to do is set our rotation style left and right so he doesn't spin around when he changes directions. Then we're going to point in direction 90, and that makes him face to the right. That way when we go to the left, he can face to the left. Now we need to move him. So we're going to change X, let's say by 10, and that's because this is our X axis. We're going to move him 10 along our X axis. And then we also need to make him, because if we press this and we press the right arrow key, he just scoots along like that. We need to make him look like he's walking. So we need to go to looks and go to next costume. So when we click that, click flag, now he's walking. But I see a problem. He's walking really fast. Like his legs are moving faster than he's walking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow that down just a little bit. Under control, I'm going to go to weight. I'm going to add a little weight in here. Maybe like 0.8 seconds or something like that. So now when I click flag, whoops, 0.08 seconds. That's what I meant to do. So now it looks a little more normal. And you can change that X number to make him go faster or slower. Okay, might make this a little less. 5. Make it look a little more normal. That looks still pretty fast, but that looks pretty good. So now what we need to do is we need to do the other directions. So I'm going to control click on this, hit duplicate, and I'm going to go to the left. So I'm going to do left arrow. And now I'm going to change X by -12. So -12. And I'm going to point -90 to the left. So now when I hit the flag, I can go left or I can go right. Okay? Now it depends on what kind of game you want to make. Some people will just keep it, have the ground here and keep him on the ground. Maybe make him jump or something. But if you want to make him go up and down, you can just do this again. And then we'll go up. And when I go up and down, I don't like to change the direction because that looks weird. So I just keep it. I take that point out. It'll just stay in the direction I was going, and that looks more normal. But then right here, we need to add a change Y. So I'm going to go here to motion, change Y by 10. Let's go ahead and do down. Down. Change Y by -10. So now we can go in all different directions and it doesn't. So he's going up, over, left, down. That looks pretty normal, right? I would say so. Okay, and that is it for this tutorial. Always make sure that you save your project. There have been so many times where students in my class didn't save and they had to do all their work over again. But this is going to be a pretty common thing. Flag forever if, and then just get used to that, and then your left right. Make sure you're on left right, because if I flip this over to all around, you'll see what happens. When I go, actually it's over here on the left. If I go all around on left, watch what happens. He flips upside down. We don't want that to happen. So we're going to set everything left and right, and then I like to clean everything up, and that is it. Thank you for watching.